GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Now we have HERBERT AFRIYIE, a junior scientist from PRESBY JHS in TECHIMANTIA from the Brongahafo region of Ghana. HERBERT uses a retort sand, a heating mantle, some ice block, a round-bottomed flask, and a coiled rubber tube for his experiment, where he shows us how to make water safe for drinking. Now let's see how he goes about doing this important experiment. Water is a substance which contains hydrogen and oxygen as its basic elements. It exists in 3 states: solid, that's ice cubes; liquid, like tap water; and gases, that steam from cooking.
I'll first place the round bottom flask into the heating mantle and then hold it with a retort sand so that it will not fall.
Water in the round bottom flask will be heated with the heating mantle.
I will fill the flask with tap water by using funnel. I will then cover the flask with a cork so that when I boil it, the steam from it will not get out.
The temperature of the water will not reduce because there's a cork to stop the escape of the steam.
I will insert my rubber tube.
The steam passes through the connected rubber tube and are condensed when they pass through the ice into the collecting beaker.
I put this object here to raise the basin up, so I will place it on. I will place the coiled part of the tube into the basin filled with ice and water. I will also place a beaker at the end of the rubber tube. I will then turn on the heating mantle. I will allow the steam to pass through the tube into the beaker. As I boil the dirty water, the vapor from it passes through the tube and condenses at where I have placed the basin filled with ice and water and form pure water into the beaker.
The vapor from the heated water is cooled by the ice to form water in the collecting beaker.
The life application of the experiment was to make water conducive for human consumption. Whilst purifying the water, it removes germs and other particles from it. A typical example is the mineral water. It is being purified before it is being brought to the market. And a healthy life depends on a purified water. I'm Patricia Kuyakon, the science tutor for PRESBY JHS TECHIMANTIA in Brongahafo region.
The application is used in the treatment of water for consumption. This is similar to how rain is formed. Can you see how rainwater is clean even though the water from rivers, streams, and even the sea are contaminated? It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz. Aside the condensation process used in this experiment, there are other purification processes as well. What will be observed after 8 hours when alum is added to dirty water? A. The water will change color. B. The particles in the water will settle at the bottom. C. The water will become hot. Can you imagine using this experiment to purify your drinking water? How clever! See if you can repeat this experiment. Try it at home, either by yourself or with your friends from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org, and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at WeGoInnovate or WhatsApp us on 055-406-6248.
Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.